अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, ये लॉन्गमैन ग्रोटस पे हैं हम और ये जो हमारे कानून में आईबीज़ हैं इसके ज़रिए हमें बेसिकली ये गाइड कर रहे हैं कि इस इलाके के बारे में, इसका इंट्रोडक्शन, इसकी तफसीलात सारी। यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं हर तरफ लोग हैं मुख्तलिफ़ इलाकों से। ये है जी लॉन्गमैन ग्रोटस। Longman Grottus Cave. The two parts of the cave, one is this and second one is the biggest one. We will go there later on.
They came to the royal city and they met a little boy with two swords. And then they are in
Now we can.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. That's great. We can. Wonderful. Wonderful. Now keep it back.
You just look like a warrior.
Thank you. Take back. Thank you. Thank you. So now we are going on another side of this cave. Now we will take these stairs to go up. And you can watch this side of the cave. And then if you come with me and you will see this side. So it's really amazing. Just a little brief about the first female emperor who constructed all this.
Female emperor Tianshi is the first and only one female emperor in Chinese history, and she was born in Wenshui city of Shanxi province.
Okay, and she is basically behind all these sketches.
Yes, but she donated money. She was donated money to be the biggest one. So
She donated money to build this one, and later on people, later on governments constructed other two.
they were constructed by the emperor, the Zhi of Han Dynasty.
Thank you. नाज़रीन, ये जो मेरे बैक पे आपको नज़र आ रहा है ये है बेसिकली जो बिग स्टैचू है बुद्धा का, और जो चीन की खातून एम्परर थी ये उनके दौर में बेसिकली उन्होंने इसको के लिए डोनेट किया, ये बनी। और ये सारा ये ऑलमोस्ट 2345 केव्स हैं ये जो मेरे पीछे आपको नज़र आ रहा है, और पूरी दुनिया से यहाँ लोग आते हैं टूरिज़म के लिए। इट्स रियली अमेजिंग प्लेस। और ये इसके सेंटर में रिवर है और उसके उस पार केव है, हम वहाँ पे भी थे और अब हम इस तरफ हैं, यहाँ से आपको वो व्यू नज़र आएगा। तो ये एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग है, आपको मैं इसका ये दिखाऊंगा। ऐसे आप मूव करेंगे मेरे साथ तो आप देखेंगे कि ये सारी ग्रीनरी है, जंगलात हैं और पुरफ़िज़ा मकाम है। आप ये कह सकते हैं कि चीन ने एग्रीकल्चर में और ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन चीन लेके आया है और बहुत वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हैं चीज़ें। डेफिनेटली देयर इज़ अ नेचुरल ब्यूटी, बट even then credit goes to local government as well because they maintain things very well, and this is their cultural heritage. They preserve it very well. So whenever you visit China, must come this city. This is called Leong city. It's a cultural city and it is also called city of flower. It is also called city of soups because yesterday night we enjoyed lot of soups, different type of soups. And people, very lovely people here. Hospitality of the local people is really amazing, and if you will come here once, you will your heart will push you to come and come again. So this is Leong, Henan province, China. Must come and enjoy this beautiful scenic view of this is the historical place and the largest statue of the Buddha. Thank you very much. Pak China friendship Zindabad. Long live Pak China friendship.